Hi, my name is Chef McKinley, and today I'm going to be making pear bread. And first, I need the flour, and I'm going to pour it into this bowl. And next, I need baking soda. Next, I need baking powder. And next, I need salt. And next, I need 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. One, two, and then we need white sugar and brown. Now we have all of our dry ingredients. Now let's stir it up. I think it's stirred up. Now we are going to mix up our wet ingredients. So first I need a cup of oil, and then I need 2 eggs. And I'm going to put them in a separate bowl because if they have a dot on them, then I'll have to get another egg. And now I'm going to go throw these both eggs away. Now I'm going to pour the eggs inside of here. And now I am going to do the white sugar and brown sugar. Oh, I mixed up the cinnamon with the brown sugar. So when I said brown sugar, I meant cinnamon. And here are. And now I've got a cup of pears. And now I need to do the vanilla. Okay. Doing that, and then now I need to stir this all up. Right now I'm preheating the oven. Now since I've got my wet ingredients stirred, I'm going to pour them into my dry ingredients. Put this here. Now I'm going to stir all this together. Now it's time to grease the pan and pour it in. Okay, now I'm just going to spread this around. Okay, and now I'm going to pour this in. Wow, doesn't this look scrumptious? Now I'm going to put this inside the oven. Set your oven for 325 degrees for 1 hour. We got 1 more minute. I'm gonna check on it. I think it's good. Thank you for watching my video. Go on Chef McKinley's YouTube channel to see more cooking videos.